Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again. Okay. So, today I will explain about the answer to your quiz CO1. Okay, CO1 here represents your course outcome number 1. Okay, so this quiz is related to your course outcome number 1. Okay, so let's look at the question again. Okay, so here we have a 500 Newton crate is supported by 3 cables as shown in this figure. Okay, you can see this figure. Okay, the first one, you need to draw the FBD, which is free body diagram at point A. Okay, so this is point A. So, for your free body diagram, should look like this. Okay, this one. Okay, so 500 Newton of crate, okay, which is the weight of the crate, should be pointing downwards like this. Okay, and then we have the force inside the cable, which is located from here until here. Okay, from point A to point D, so FAD. And then we have cables pointing from point A to point B, so FAB. Point A to point C, so FAC. Okay, so I labeled the force here, okay, as the direction of the force, A to D, A to B, and also A to C. Okay, make sure you do the same. Okay, so next, B, determine the force acting in each cable for equilibrium. Okay, so for this one, before you can start solving the force here, you need to make sure you have the correct coordinate. Okay, so this is the coordinate. Okay, A is 0, 0, negative 6, B negative 2.7, negative 3.6, 0, C is 3.2, 0, 0, and D is negative 2.7, 4, and 0. Okay, so these are the coordinates for A, B, C, and D. Okay, so after that, after you get the coordinate, what you need to do before you can convert the FAB, FAC, and FAD into a force in Cartesian vector form, you need to have the unit vector. Okay, so we need to have unit vector for AB, unit vector for AC, unit vector for AD. Okay, so this is UAB. Okay, so to calculate unit vector, you must do the direction AB over the magnitude of the direction. Okay, vector over magnitude of the vector. Okay, so the final result is this one, negative 2.7 over 7.5 and so on. Okay, so the magnitude here is 7.5. Okay, so this one is UAB. So this one here is UAC. Okay, UAC is this one. Okay, the magnitude is 6.8. Okay, and this is the unit vector. And then the final one, which is UAD. So UAD, the magnitude is 7.7. Okay, and the direction is this one, negative 2.7 plus 4 plus 6. Okay, how to calculate the direction? Again, if you want to calculate direction from A to B, what you need to do, you must do coordinate of B minus coordinate of A. So, direction of A to C means that you need to do direction or coordinate of C minus A. A to D means that D minus A. Okay, don't forget. Okay. So, next, we have all the unit vector for AB, AC, and also AD. Okay. Now, you can convert everything into force. Okay, this one, FAB, FAC, and also FAD. Okay. So, what you need to do is very simple. To convert it to force, because you have the unit vector already. So, unit vector multiply with the force. Okay. So, this is the magnitude of the force, FAB. FAB is the magnitude of a force. So, UAB, unit vector multiply with FAB will be this one. Okay. Same for FAC, same for FAD. Okay, unit vector multiply with the magnitude. Okay, we don't know the magnitude yet, of course, because we want to find it. Okay, so therefore we label it as FAB, FAC, and FAD. For the weight W here, okay, the weight is pointing downwards, okay, as shown in this free body diagram. So that's why we have this one, okay, Z direction negative 500 K. Okay, so we don't have, okay, the weight here didn't pointing towards X value, so which is why it is 0I, and it is not pointing towards Y direction, so it is 0J. Okay, so please make sure you write down your equation like this. Okay, why? Because the next step is for you to collect all the forces in X direction, Y direction, and Z direction respectively. Okay, so the next step is for you to combine all the forces. Okay, so because it is in equilibrium, so the total of force is equals to 0. Okay, so if it is equals to 0, means that the total of force in X direction equals to 0, Y direction equals to 0, Z direction also equals to 0. Okay, and this one here, I here represents X direction, J here represents Y direction, K here represents Z direction. Okay, so we combine all the I, all the J, and also all the K. Okay, here, so we have here, in here, here is here, and this one is this one. Okay, so when we do it like this, okay, we can get 3 equations with 3 unknowns. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Okay, let me label it. Okay, so this one here. So this one here becomes, this is equation number 1. This, okay, this is equation number 2. And this one here is equation number 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So because we have 3 unknowns and also 3 equations, so we can use the calculator to solve the answer. Okay, so if you use the calculator, okay, the final answer will be F AB is equals to 178.4 Newton. Okay, and then F AC is equals to 259.3 Newton. And the last one, F AD is equals to 164.9 Newton. Okay, so that is the final answer. Okay, did you get it right? Hopefully you get it right. So if you still don't understand anything, feel free to ask me, no problem. Okay, I will try to respond as soon as I can. And good luck with your midterm exam. Okay, bye-bye.